Hello, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I got my second check back. Like I said in other videos, somebody failed to do the 30% deduction on federal taxes in 2017. They're still holding on to that. I'm not going to say who it is, but I do taxes with Jiffy Tax now here in Lower Michigan near Battle Creek. So I got the 2018 and 2019 federal taxes back, and it's almost spent. I got some things coming in. I got masks, like 60 of them, and the N95. I heard they're all sold out lately. But anyway, so this is Saturday, and I'm walking in sunshine all day. So I'm working on a lot of projects. The computer's fixed. It's been down for seven months, so I got a lot of catching up to do with YouTube, all the YouTube videos and TubeBuddy stuff. And we got 2 affiliate links for products today. I'm probably going to get a couple more. I got to make a website. I got a whole bunch of things happening. But I started the vehicle. I'm getting ready to go. But I decided I can't go anywhere yet. So it's warming. I can't go anywhere yet until I work out a couple solar projects. And you'll see these videos coming out soon. And other products, it's arriving. I'm going to shoot videos of that stuff too. Self-sustainability, the market crash, COVID-19, just about any and everything. Since I get my information several days to several weeks before the news puts it out. So I got a lot going on. It's all in me head, Mrs. Tweety. It's all in me head. So yeah, a lot of cool things. And I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you up to date. I need more solar panels, but that'll be coming soon. When I get out in the country, because with this stock crash, there's going to be something going up for sale. I've been preaching this. I've been doing the stock market stuff for 29 years. I've been studying for about 32 years, all this financial stuff. I haven't liquidated yet from the stock market. I have not switched my 401k yet because, well, I just got the computer hooked up last night actually. So, and I've been doing things. I got like 8 networks. So the solar side network just cut my Facebook over there, but I still got my own personal Facebook. Oh, and the fitness Facebook has been cut. Getting really sick and tired of stuff, so I'm gonna get the website up and running soon. So with GoDaddy probably, or HostGator, I don't know who yet. HostGator and GoDaddy are the best. HostGator don't have a great phone system. Their people aren't that very well educated. HostGator is #1 in my eyes anyway, from what I used to do web design and such. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to take it to a whole nother dimension this year, and I wish you all well. The stock market crash is going to help me find a place in the country, and it's not my fault. I've been preaching, and I've been telling people stay aware, stay vigilant. I've been telling people to prep for quite some time, and to start homesteading and to go off grid slowly but surely through the years. So the next time I get a comment from somebody, I'm gonna block you for saying, oh, that's not very nice, waiting on some prey or something like that. It's not my fault. I've been preaching for 30 years. This was gonna happen soon. I've been telling people for the last 3 years the market only crashes between the years 7 and 3, and it's going to be epic because of the sun cycles of the sun. There's a lot of them. Pay attention, and you will learn to survive and thrive. That is a YouTube channel, I believe. He went to Alaska. And you have a beautiful, sunshiny day.